The reason there's a large gap under the cover of this Elegoo Mars is that I've set the build height to 168mm using G-code. That enables you to build components up to about 163mm thereabouts. However, the standard knob holds the cover up, so I'm producing a low height knob. It's anodised aluminium with a stainless screw. 168mm, and that fixes the problem. I'm supplying it as a kit simply because it's less than 25mm thick, and therefore is a large envelope rather than a small parcel, and that dramatically saves on the shipping cost. But it does require a little bit of self-assembly. There's some Loctite stud lock, just put a little bit inside the nut itself rather than on the screw, and then it won't come out and make a fillet you have to wipe off. Screw the pointed end into the head. You'll need to leave it for about 12 hours or so, but before you do that, for this first batch at least, you need to set the projection distance of the tip of the screw from the face of the nut to 16.5mm.